half mark questions from the chapter Reproduction. Let us go into the questions. The first question is, onion is an example for bulb, but what is the example for tuber? So the bulb, tuber, stolon, corns, all these are the examples for natural vegetative propagations through the stem. The example for bulb is onion, but the example for tuber is a potato. Next one. Fill the blank box of the process chart of passage of spermatozoa. This process chart represents the passage of the movement of spermatozoa in the male reproductive system. The sperms are produced in seminiferous tubules. They will be collected by the vasa efferentia. From vasa efferentia, they will enter into the epididymis, through which they transfer through the vasa differentia. So the answer is epididymis. Next question. Fill the blank in the following sentence. Unlike mitosis, dash division occurs only during formation of gametes in sex organs. During the formation of gametes in sex organs, the meiosis division takes place. Next question. Recorrect and write the underlined word. The cut ends of fallopian tubes are sealed in vasectomy to prevent pregnancy. So the cut ends of fallopian tubes are sealed to prevent pregnancy. This method or this operation is known as tubectomy, not the vasectomy. Next question. Identify the A in the given picture. This is a pollen grain. The part which is identified as A is the pollen tube. Next one. Find out the mismatched one. There are two sections. Section A contains amoeba, paramecium and planaria, and the section B contains binary fission, budding and regeneration. So amoeba undergoes binary fission. This is the right pair. Planaria undergoes regeneration. This is also the right pair. But paramecium, the budding does not occur in paramecium. The example for budding is yeast, hydra, etc. But paramecium budding is the mismatched one. Next question. Match the following. There are again two sections. Section A contains leaf, stolon, corn, whereas section B contains colocasia, bryophyllum, jasmine. So if we match them, leaf, these are the matches regarding the vegetative propagation. So the vegetative propagation through the leaves, the example for vegetative propagation through the leaves is bryophyllum, whereas through the stolon is jasmine. Stolon is a form of stem. And corn, through the corn it is colocasia. The example for corn is colocasia. Hence the matching is 1:B, 2:C and 3:A. Next question. Find out the proper group of words related to embryo development. There are two groups, group A and group B. Group A consists of chorion, amnion, allantois and yolk sac, whereas group B consists of chorion, amnion, acrosome and colostrum. So among these two groups, the group which is related to the embryo development, it means whatever the words related to embryo, they are chorion, amnion, allantois, yolk sac, because these are the four membranes surrounding the embryo. Hence the answer is group A. Next one. Expand ASHA. We generally say that ASHA workers in our village. So we need to explain this. ASHA refers to accredited social health activist. Next question. I am a part of the seed developed from secondary nucleus and provide nutrients for the germinating embryo. Who am I? It is endosperm. Next one. Mitosis is to two cells, whereas meiosis is to how many cells? The result of mitosis is two cells. Two daughter cells are formed as a result of mitosis. How many daughter cells are formed as a result of meiosis? That is 4 cells. Next question. Identify the type of artificial propagation here. This is grafting. So in the same manner, several questions may be asked in this lesson, like identify the type of artificial propagation of layering, cutting or tuber, stole, or identify the type of natural vegetative propagation in bryophyllum, or any diagram can be given from this lesson and they may ask you to identify. Next question. I am a haploid cell with head, middle piece and tail. Also participates in reproduction. Who am I? This is a sperm cell. Next question. It is very important to feed dash to the newborn baby. Fill the blank in the above sentence. So, to the newborn baby, it is very important to feed the colostrum.